Metal disc cutters. What are they? Why do you need them? And how do you use them properly? This video will help you with the ins and outs of using your metal disc cutter. And please, subscribe to our channel and like this video. Okay, you got your sheet metal. You got the concept of the design you want to make, and it incorporates a lot of different shapes, but they're all common, like circles, hearts, ovals. And, you know, what should you do next? You could use a saw or a pair of metal shears, but that's not really what you want to do. You want to create. At Fire Mountain Gems and Beads, we offer a variety of sheet metal disc cutters that will save you time while keeping your focus on creating. Here's how they work. Place the cutter on a durable surface to avoid damage to your workbench and die set. Slide your metal sheet with the desired display side down between the plates of the cutter. Select a die and apply lubricant such as a Pro Cut wax. Insert the die into the corresponding hole. Using a heavy brass or copper hammer, forcefully strike the die once for best results. The disc cutters come in a variety of shapes, and most can accommodate metal sheets from 36 gauge to 16 gauge, but always check the manufacturer's recommended metal thickness to avoid damaging the set. So there you have it. Subscribe to our channel and like our videos. Last but not least, Fire Mountain Gems and Beads. Visit us for everything jewelry.